back in the shop today. What do we got?
Alright, so today we're going to be installing a Chase Bays hydraulic handbrake. Alright, so when I ordered this kit from Chase Bays, I paid an extra 20 bucks and I got this mounting plate. So this is made out of steel, so you can actually weld your brackets onto this to mount this thing to the body. They give you these bolts, which are countersunk into the body of the handbrake.
Oh wow.
And they screw right into this mounting plate. We'll get this mounting plate in the car and weld some brackets underneath it, and then you'll be able to bolt and unbolt this from the car. Alright, so I think I know what I want to do. I just got to mark it and then get the seat out of here so that we can actually take the carpet up and fabricate the bracket to mount this thing.
Alright. Careful. Careful.
Come to Alright, I did all my vacuuming. It sucked. That's why I don't ever clean the house.
Ba-da-booch.
Alright, so now I'm going to have to pull the carpet back and we'll mark the spot where this needs to go, which I already kind of like marked on the carpet a little bit here.
That's awesome.
Alright, so I think that's going to be the location. As you can see, we scraped the majority of the sound deadening tar stuff out of there. And I now have to make a bracket out of metal underneath there to hold it up. It's the Bermuda trapezoid.
Now it's a trapezoid. It was originally kind of looking like a triangle, but now it's a trapezoid.
You want to see how it fits?
That's what she said.
Alright, so that's going to sit up there like that. That's going to go right of there.
Alright, a buyer.
Right of there.
Oh, hell yeah.
Something like...
I mean, hell yeah.
You can see why I grinded those two
definitely.
spots out
Looks
of there.
good.
And then we're going to make another bracket to attach it to the tunnel here.
Okay.
So...
Oh, on the side?
Yeah, so we'll get this one welded in.
Nice.
We'll make the other one. We can't get copyrighted on this because this is your song. Yeah! Alright. That is adjustable right now. I can kind of bend it to suit, so...
You can fit it to the car.
Yeah, before I weld it, like crazy welded.
Awesome.
Before I go crazy on this. I think I'm going to make another tab and weld it down here, and then I'll fit it with both of those tabs on, and bend them to the angle of the transmission tunnel.
Yeah. It's looking good.
Need your light?
Oh, maybe. Ta-da!
It's going to go in there a bit like this.
Whoa, you almost tripped over me.
And let me get the brake, and we'll see how that looks. And then the brake will sit on that baby, like that. And then we got to extend the handle.
I can't wait for that part.
This is a very unconventional way of mounting this handbrake.
On the floor?
Like, I don't think anybody else ever mounts these things to the floor. But
we the first, baby!
I just really want it out of my way. Alright, so we're at the point now where we got to drill the holes in the body. Decided to go with holes and bolts instead of welding this thing in there, just in case I need to move it or take it out at some point. So we went to Home Depot, picked out some bolts, welded some tabs on here to bolt it down, and now I'm going to put it in the car and mark where the holes need to go through the body.
I like your little wiggle technique. Wiggle it. I've used that technique a few times myself.
That was more of a jiggle.
Oh, the jiggle technique. Yeah, that's right. Oh. Whoa, that was easy.
I might have drilled that one a little extra.
You're so extra. Wait.
Should be fine. Got big washers.
That's what she said. Wait, does that make sense?
No.
All right, after beating it with a hammer, we got the bolts in. Yay! It's looking good over the carpet. I love it. What do you think?
Yeah, it's clean.
It's clean.
All right, so I got some stuff done when Kelsey wasn't around to film it.
Yeah, so now I'm filming.
All right, let's have a look over here. All right, so the lines are done. We use the Chase Bay application specific kit. They make a kit just for the 350Z because it gets a little complicated to run an inline hydro when you have the ABS with dual lines going to the back of the car. So what this kit does is you unplug your stock lines from the ABS block here, and you plug in the kit, the lines from the kit, and it tees them together. Here, there's a T fitting. So that gives you only one line going back to the hydro, which makes it a lot simpler.
Okay.
Now this line runs through the firewall here, through the wiring harness grommet. It's a, just a rubber grommet. And runs under the dash. So let's go
look inside.
Alright, so here's the line coming in from under the hood. Goes right into the master cylinder on the hydro right here. And then when you pull the hydro, the fluid goes out through here and heads to the back and the trunk. So let's go take a look in the trunk.
Sweet.
You can't really see too much right now because I put everything kind of back together, but this is one line going to the driver's side, and this is the other line over here going to the passenger side.
They're very, very well hidden.
Yeah, they're nice and tucked in these braces. And they just headed one out to each wheel.
Awesome.
So this is the completed lever, the way I set it up. This bottom half here, the black part, is the actual lever that they give you from Chase Bay. And here is an extension that I made. This is actually the stock handlebar from my dirt bike with a threaded rod welded into it so I can screw it into the Chase Bay handle. And that just brings it up and offsets it out of the way of my controls and stuff. And this whole setup is really nice because this master cylinder is down under my seat. Most people mount it on the console and it just gets in the way. Your knee hits on it, and
this is nice and
it gets in the way of you getting to your shifter. But the way this is, when I put my seat forward where I sit, there's nothing. It just basically, the lever's under the seat. There's nothing in your way. There's nothing to inhibit your daily drivability. And you got this right where you need it. You can take
go.
Yeah, you can take your hand right off the wheel quickly and get it back on. And it's just a great setup.
Nice. Yeah, it looks great from here.
So the only thing to do now is show some drift clips.
Yeah.
Okay, here I'm going to try handbrake initiating into a faint clubhouse circuit. Works out pretty good. Just a quick blip of the handbrake and then weight transfer does all the rest. Alright, so I'll show you one more of these, and then I'll show you what I got for some in-car footage.
Like with a track like this, like when do I stop filming? You just keep going. Getting better at filming over there too. Ha I've learned. Woo!
Alright, so I'm going to have you guys in the car with me because Kelsey's not going to be able to see us until I get to the other side of the road course. We're all the way on the other side of the road course right now. Well, that's a wrap for this one. As you can see, the handbrake worked out awesome, and I'm having a real lot of fun with it. And I'd also like to say that at the time of editing this video, this channel has just reached 1,000 followers, so I want to thank everybody for that. And if you like what we're doing, make sure you hit that subscribe if this is your first time to the channel. Hit the like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, let me know what you want to see, and we'll catch you in the next one.